So, ladies and gentlemen, the easiest thing to do when you're working on percentages, it says 120% of what is 90. So whenever we're talking about percentages, remember we're looking at, you're looking at a part over a whole. Okay? Always a part over a whole. So if we already are given a percentage, one thing you guys should always remember is 100% is a whole, right? So they're saying we have 120%. Well, that's greater than the whole. So your part is greater than your whole. So you have 120% over 100%, and that's going to be equal to, now what are we looking for? They're saying of what is 90. So 120% of what is going to be 90. Right? So what they're looking for is we have, which is our 90 going to be, our part or of our whole? 120% of what is 90? 90 is going to be our part. I would say it's going to be our part. 120% of what is 90? Because you're looking at of what is going to be 90. So therefore, that is going to be 90. And then now we need to figure out the x. Okay? Because you want to take 120% of something, and that's going to give you 90. So therefore, now we can just go ahead and use the cross product. And therefore, then, if you do 9,000 divided by 120, 75. Now, let's double check that. Let's go ahead and rewrite, Ressa, 120% is the same thing as 1.2 as a decimal, right? Let's double check that. So if I do 75 times 1.2, which would be 120% of that, I get 90. So therefore, that is verified. All right? So a lot of times when you guys are doing your percentages, a lot of times it's just to create a proportion as a part over a whole.